G'day everyone, Adam here from Bonito. We're Fraser bound, we've got the BigRam ready to go, 660 BigRam. Perfect boat for these trips. Nice fast run up to Rooney's Asado before the sun sets. Literally finished work at lunchtime today and we're up here at Harvey Bay now. On our way to Fraser Island for the weekend, so 550 litres of fuel, tons of gear. We got rods, cover and the bed up the front. So we'll get them all out later. I think I got over 10, 14, 15 rods. So awesome weekend on the bottom fish and hopefully some Spanish as well. So let's go get it. Alrighty, we're in autopilot mode. We're doing 28 knots or 50 k's an hour through some slop. Boat's just beautiful, so soft. You enjoying it, Steve?
Oh, good mate.
Yeah, beautiful sunset. Says we'll be there in 50 minutes, so it could go faster, but just take our time and nice and smooth. So yeah, we'll see you up the top. Cook a steak. Nearly at Fraser. A bit dark now, but we've got 5 minutes to go. Cooking some beautiful steaks on the boat. A bit more rocky and rolly than we thought, but make two.
What are you cooking, mate? Big sirloins.
Sirloins there, so beautiful. Steak wraps. Took us about an hour to get up here in the dark. Stuff went down pretty quick. Cruised up here at 27 to 30 knots and a kilometre a litre. It's about 65 litres getting up here. So plenty of fuel for the next 2 days of fishing. So we'll get into it tomorrow morning. Alright, Saturday morning. Day one or day two technically, but we use 65 litres getting up here. It's not too bad. And yeah, we're about to head off, so go chase some Spanish first up, and then yeah, we'll head up around through the bar to Breaksea spit there, and go bottom fishing after that. So we'll get into it. These bad boys straight up. Sandy Cape shoals. It's worked well last time. Fingers crossed they work this time.
Right, ads.
First fish. Well done, Steve. Release him.
Yep.
Well, interesting one. There's squall come through and it's really windy and it's starting to rain. Let's do some bottom bashing. Well, this is a trip to remember.
Yeah.
Big squall. It started raining now. It's pouring down. Oh, there's fish on the sounder, so
yep.
Fingers crossed the rain will stop and catch some. We're fishing in the rain. Got something decent on here, I think. So let's see what we got in a second. Hope we've got nice head shakes. It's up here colour now, so. Oh, nice. Nice fish.
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
It's a beautiful touch fish.
Yeah, beautiful touch fish. Well done, ads.
Just landed my new PB pigfish. These are beautiful eating. These are 51 centimetres. Absolutely massive. Chips and biscuit time, isn't it?
Yeah, mate.
Oh, it's delicious. Caught some good fish today. Tomorrow, hopefully, back out there.
Yeah, we did, got some good reef fish. Can't hit the Spanish tomorrow, the wind's blowing a bit too much. So.
It was bloody windy out there today. It's 15, 20 knots. So.
We've got back here now.
The chips and biscuits are hitting the spot. Not that I probably needed any seasoning. We'll just whack some pepper on there and some salt. Looks beautiful. Look at it. Come up white and fluffy. Look at these fish. Oh, 1 second. There we go. Fish wrap number one. Cheese, salt and pepper. This is as fresh as it gets. Unbelievable. Well, day three. Fraser Island. Magic Anchorage overnight. Fingers crossed the weather's better than it was yesterday and we can go out and get some Spanish and a few more bottom fish and that'll be it for us, but yeah, let's go get it. Right, first up, trolling some mackerel. Fingers crossed we have better luck today than yesterday. Do this for a while and then we'll go out and do some more bottom fishing. Trolling scraps this morning. So, yeah. First baby Spanish for the trip. Well done, Steve.
Thanks, mate.
It's small, unfortunately. Just caught a beautiful coronation trout. Gonna release him now. These are really cool. These are, you gotta catch these in clean water. So absolutely gorgeous. Look at the color of him. Anyway. Alright, we're back at the ramp now. We did pretty well. Weather was a bit unkind to us, but boat went really well and caught some good fish. So, got an epic weekend in the 660 BigRam. Over 300 kilometers traveled, heaps of fish caught. Great time, great laughs. Bit crappy weather, unfortunately, but we prevailed. She plows through everything, no problems. Crossed the Breaksea spit twice. It's awesome fun. Anyway, long drive back to Brisbane. See yous.